When Jesus had entered Capernaum, a centurion came to him asking for help.
Lord,
He said,
my servant lies at home paralyzed and in terrible suffering.
Jesus said to him,
I will go and heal him.
the centurion replied,
Lord, I do not deserve for you to come under my roof. But just say the word and my servant will be healed. For I myself am a man under authority, with soldiers under me. I tell this one go and he goes. That one come and he comes. I tell my servant do this and he does it.
When Jesus heard this, he was astonished and said to those following him,
I tell you the truth, I have not found anyone in Israel with such great faith. I say to you that many will come from the east and the west, and will take their places at the feast with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob in the kingdom of heaven.